Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, and because we will start with blocking the number you've got saved, and then I'll show you another way. So let's tap on the contact you'd like to block and choose 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers and tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the contact. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here. However, let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back, and here it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here, let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. Those are all numbers which were assigned to the contacts we've blocked, and of course they've appeared on the blacklist. Here we've got another option to block the number. Just tap on add a number here. And now you can freely enter the number manually, tap on block, and it will also immediately appear on the blacklist. You can tap on this option at the top, unknown, so the switcher, and from now on your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. Of course, you can turn this option off again, and if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.